Hello everyone, my name is Kyle Brown, and I'm here today to present the Cloud Foundation short series. And essentially, this is short videos to help students install core software and get everything up and running more quickly. Looking at the overview, for this particular short video, I'm just gonna briefly download and unzip the GitHub course repo, and then from there, I'm not going to really get into exactly step by step for the software. It's just the specific repo. That's all you need to just download the zip folder from the course repo, and then I will show you how to set up the CMD. And the CMD is just short for command line and it's a Windows terminal. You should be familiar with this, especially from troubleshooting and debugging, because even using Google search in that, you can just copy and paste your errors, or just use CMD or CMD help. It does give you quite a bit of an array of answers and solutions available. So, and then from there, I'll navigate to the directory using the CMD, and then I'll show you a neat little trick on how to access the File Explorer, a CMD from the File Explorer, and which will give you administrator privileges. And then I just briefly just wanted to discuss the difference between the user administrator privileges, because oftentimes even intermediate users often forget when you are just in basic user privilege, that when you start seeing different errors in that it can be attributed to the not being an administrator or having to switch over to administrator privilege, and that's usually due to within the Windows system, or the Windows, your Windows particular the update, or if there's a patch or something missing within the actual system in that. So, and then lastly, I'll go ahead and then show you how to clone the course repos locally. So let's get directly into it. Let's just start jumping right into it. So we will go from Google to our course repo, which is ND 064 course 1 GitHub. Udacity. We can just from here. Oh no, to downloading. So from there, we're going to extract it. And while it's extracting, we can come over here, just type in CMD in our search panel, and you see when the command prompt comes up, just open it up, and it takes you to this command prompt. This is our root directory within our base user. So, and then it's officially unzipped in it. So when it's within our downloads directory, so we are going to CD to the down, and then you just hit tab and it'll automatically fill it for you. So, and then we just change the directory in there. So it's that simple. So we're going to CD again to ND, which is the file right here. We're going to tab for short. Since we did download the zip in that, it does with it has a subdirectory or subfolder that when it zips it up, it zips the main directory into a subdirectory. So you also have to, go to that same directory again, because it also gives you the same folder twice. And then you can CD to our exercise folder, which I believe is where most of our assignments kind of start taking place at. So, and then from there, I believe, we just, kind of navigated. We didn't necessarily download anything yet, but we were able to get all the directories and all the work for our assignment set up. So just exit that off, and I'll just show you real quick, just navigating that. Here we go. Navigating directory. Here's within the File Explorer. We just came within the downloaded directory after we unzipped it. There's a sub file, the subdirectory, and then we got the exercises, and then we can just CMD from here. And then as you see now, it goes us to administrator privileges, because we're in the Windows, there's in our administrator directory, our administrator root directory. So, and when we are using Flask and that, it certainly does make a difference. So, and it's just a quick neat little trick. And then lastly, we can go ahead and we'll just go ahead and copy that. We just type in CMD one last time. And we can just go ahead and just the root directory, we're going to go ahead and just clone it. So that's is what the last part is. We're just going to clone right there, and then just clone it directly in there, and then we can just follow the same steps as before. We can change the directory to the ND, and just CD directly to the exercise, because we didn't zip drive it this time. So yeah, and you notice it is a little bit quicker that way, and having to use it instead of resource intensive through the OS through your hard drive. So hope that kind of gets everything up and running for you. And I look forward to, and hopefully this helps you out. And look forward to presenting the next one to you. So thank you very much, and have a good evening. Have a good day.